Wade McNutt here with PianoChops.com. Here are 7 important piano chords for you to learn, and I'm going to show you a very quick, simple way for you to think about it. Starting in C, in whatever key, you need to learn the major chord. So we're playing C major here, C, E, and G. Now we're going to work off of this to teach you 2 more chords very quickly, and then all the other ones. So first of all, memorize this. Here's your C major chord. If you add in this little note right here, so you're going to want to play your finger, use your pointer finger here, add in your thumb. Now you are playing a type of C major 7 chord. So C major 7, we have C, C major 7. If you drop your thumb down here now, and I'll show you this in another key so you can apply it to a different kind of key. Now you're playing a C7 chord, C dominant. Right, so we're 3 chords in. All right, let's go back to our C major. If you lower this middle note, we're at a C minor. So that's your 4th chord. So lowering the middle note does that. And now let's lower the middle note and also add in this whole step down. When I say whole step, I mean half whole. All right. That's a C minor 7. So we have C minor 7. All right, we have 2 more chords to go. So let's go back to C major and work off of that. If you move the pinky up a half step, you have your C augmented chord. All right, and if we lower the middle and the top chord, we have a C diminished chord. And that is now 7 chords, 7 very important chords to know when starting to play the piano. Now let's look at that in another key, and so you can practice just starting with the major chord and creating all those other ones. Let's go to E flat. So I think people will be scared of something like E flat. All right, we have our major chord. How do we create the major 7? Okay, I'm gonna trade this finger here, play our thumb a half step below. Now we have an E major 7. If I drop it again, it's an E7, E dominant 7 chord. Let's go back to the major. If I drop the middle note, half step, we have our minor. Then I add in this, we have our minor 7. All right, go back to the major chord again. If I raise the top note, an E flat augmented chord. And if I lower the middle and the top note, E flat diminished. So go through that process in all your chords and you can get to them very, very quickly. And I think you're going to be having some great sounds. Hey everybody, it's Wade McNutt. I have a free PDF that I want to give you. It's all about playing by ear and all the different things I've learned that goes into it. So all you got to do is click below the video, and there's a link that'll say something about PDF playing by ear. And what it'll do is sign you up for the newsletter. So all it costs you is an email address, and then I'll send that right over to you.